Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Unoy alam kaliang persya Dr. Mukul sangma wala kuntu ya sorkar bakan nong ka bahusiar ka bapengor bat ka basim khia ya jingma ki balaban mi bat ban weng ya jing e ba pelong ya samla bandung saki kamle no wala bo Jingkylli ru halor ki jingja ki baydei ba Jingpyndem wa jong industri rajkhawa unoy alam barem jong ka sengking atyar prasa khen bi an ka United Liberation Front of Assam ha South Garo Hills ha jingkram gilat pathai khubor sangma wala do ba minchwa Kejingdon jong Rajkhawa Garo Hills kala penchisha hadin Jingpyndem waj bat kidang dan ru katu kat ni Jingkylli bedang sa klem jubab.
One day I was speaking about uh, some covert recruitment taking place at that point of time, prior to the surrendering of Trishti Rajkhawa in Garo Hills. Didn't I say? Didn't I say that the person concerned was in Garo Hills? Yes. It was proven that he was in Garo Hills because he surrendered where? He surrendered in South Garo Hills. But at the same time, I think we need to confront the government at the time of surrendering. Disri Rajkua did surrender before the authorities. With whom? With whom? How many boys were there? How many men were there? Was he expected to be in remotest part of the country with just two of his so-called personal bodyguards? And when he surrendered, what are the arms and ammunition that he has handed over? Except the small arms. So you have to connect the dots. You have to connect the dots and confront the government. This government is somehow or other known for being in denial mode, particularly the chief minister. You ask anything, you ask about illegal coal mining, he'll be very prompt in denying. But uh, the onus of responsibility of governance and to ensure that nothing which is somehow capable of derailing the peace and uh, somehow enabling a vitiated environment for resurgence of any militant activities in the state. We have to all be honest to our responsibilities and prevent it. You see, when we are talking about the overall inputs, is these inputs not there in Khasi and Jails? Is there no inputs? Is there no inputs in Garwis? It is up to the government to examine those inputs and utilize their wisdom to arrive at a conclusion. Maybe for whatever reasons, the chief minister might not have somehow thought it proper to discuss before the media. That also may be an issue, but the fact is that government of the day, any incumbent government, must be alert, vigilant, and responsive. And also, when I say be alert, vigilant, and responsive, should know what are the factors, probably, which is pushing the youth towards militancy, towards forming a rebel group, and somehow see that we don't allow these things to flourish and grow. And it is the responsibility of anybody who is in the hand of affairs of government. It doesn't matter who is vested with the responsibility, but it is incumbent upon any government of the day to deal with this kind of situation with utmost seriousness, honesty, integrity, with truthfulness, in the best interest of the people.